Save video. Jesus Christ. No, no, no. No. What did it do? Oh, freaking duck. Jesus.
Alright, maybe you should turn around.
Hey, you got it? It's good? Yeah?
Yeah, just let me know when she sets
That's
this
the
up
only one
and
you
just
got?
make sure you see it on the screen.
Well, do you have a notification for it?
You don't got all the flavors?
Right now, Clear Ice and all that other stuff's in short supply.
Can I get theirs?
No, we don't have it. I'm saying Clear Ice is in short supply right now.
Alright, so then you just send it back.
You don't want it? Send it back. She doesn't want it.
Yeah, bro, go to the next stop.
Is he gonna send it back?
Yeah, he said he's sending it back now.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Can you not pull up
Yeah,
and
I'm
say
sending
send
it back now.
because then if not,
You're sending it back now?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright, he's sending it back now.
Well, then
Just go to the next stop.
I got multiple people waiting
But
on me.
I need my money. If not, I'll take the ring. Like, this is not making sense.
Hey, can you send it
He
back
waited
to her
until
already?
He got his money, so like wait for until I get mine.
Yeah, I just sent it, bro. It's gonna take a second to get through.
I'm not gonna let you do it.
Alright, you know what?
Yeah, I'm still waiting.
Get off of me! Get off of me!
What happened? Everything good?
Bro, she jumped on the car, bro.
She
She
jumped
jumped on the f***ing car.
What?
Said, hey, there's people.
She's trying to go.